In this video, we're unboxing and installing left front lower control arm on 2015 Ford Escape. Let's start by taking a look at what's included in the box. Lower control arm assembly. The tools required for the Ford Escape left front lower control arm removal and installation. 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench. 21mm double round wrench. Large electric impact wrench. Small ratchet wrench. Small short extension bar. Large short extension bar. Large torque wrench. Pry bar. Small T30 Torx Bit. Large 10mm deep socket. Large 13mm deep socket. Large 18mm deep socket. Large 19mm deep socket. Use a 19mm deep socket to loosen the hub bolts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the hub bolts. Remove the wheel hub. Use an 18mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the bolt securing the control arm ball joint to the knuckle. Remove the bolt. Remove the bolt securing the underbody shield using a T30 Torx Bit. Remove the front bolts of the underbody shield. Remove the underbody shield. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the bolt securing the front subframe to the load path bar bracket. Use a 13mm deep socket to loosen the bolt securing the load path bar and its bracket. Pry open the load path bar bracket. Use an 18mm deep socket to remove the bolt securing the front bushing of the lower control arm. Remove the bolt. Use a 21mm double hex wrench with an 18mm socket to remove the bolt securing the rear bushing of the lower control arm. Use the double hex wrench to hold the upper nut and remove the bolt. Remove the nut. Use a pry bar to assist in separating the control arm from the subframe. Separate the control arm ball joint from the knuckle. Remove the old control arm. New control arm display and install the bolt for the front bushing of the control arm. Use an 18mm deep socket to tighten the front bushing bolt. Install the bolt and nut for the rear bushing of the control arm. Install the nut. Use an 18mm deep socket with a 21mm double round wrench to tighten the rear bushing bolt. Use an 18mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the rear bushing bolt. Torque it to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds. Use an 18mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the front bushing bolt. Torque it to 120 Newton meters or 89 foot-pounds. Let's install the control arm ball joint. Install the bolts for the load path bar bracket. Use a 10mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the load path bar bracket bolts. Use a 13mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the load path bar and bracket bolts. Install the bolt for the control arm ball joint to the knuckle. Install the bolt. Install the nut. Use an 18mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the control arm ball joint bolt. Use an 18mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the control arm ball joint bolt. Torque to 100 Newton meters or 74 foot-pounds. Install the engine underbody shield. Install the engine shield screws using a T30 Torx Bit. Install the rear bolts of the engine underbody shield. Install the wheel hub. Install the lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to final tighten the lug nuts. Torque to 140 Newton meters or 103 foot-pounds. You are now complete with this installation.